guys, it's CP, and today we're going to be doing a Filipino dessert, Leche Flan. I chose Leche Flan because growing up, this was something my dad's mom, so my grandma, used to make all the time. I always watched her make it, and I swear it was super easy. And so I hit her up recently to get the recipe on how to do this. She was still giving me the version where you'd have to steam it over the stovetop, so I went ahead and took it to the Instant Pot, because you can take your 40 to 50 minute steaming and cut it down to just 15 minutes. So we have our ingredients. You need your Instant Pot, and then you'll also need to go to your stovetop to caramelize some brown sugar. But I'm fancy now, and we have a single burner that we'll be using for videos. So yeah. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Let's get going. First, you'll start with 12 eggs, and you'll need to be separating the yolk from the egg whites. Oops! I dropped the egg. So, it's okay if you accidentally drop the yolk. You just need to fish it out. And it's okay that they also broke. Eventually you're gonna be stirring them together. So this is still acceptable. So now that you've separated your eggs, you will then take your egg whites and put them aside, as you will not need this for this recipe. Next, you will need 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and 2 cans of evaporated milk. You want to go ahead and whisk your mixture. Alright, now that that's whisked, let's go ahead and put this aside. A cup of brown sugar, and in this I've actually added about a teaspoon of water. Just so it has a nice sandy consistency when you're mixing it in here. You don't want to put too much, but then just gonna go ahead and move it around. Brown sugar is a little bit more difficult. This is the recipe my grandma uses. I have done it with regular sugar, and it actually is much easier, but to stay true to my grandma's recipe, I'm gonna continue this video with brown sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and add another teaspoon of water, so just to get this starting. And once this is all melted up, it's looking nice. Okay, just add a little bit more water. You're gonna have your pans ready, and so if you want to go ahead and put that here to the side, and then pour that into the pans. Be careful, this is very, very hot. So you're just gonna move it around in the pan. Be careful, the pan will get hot because the caramel is hot, so please be careful. I'm gonna do the remainder of this recipe for 1 Leche Flan container, but the start of this is for 3. So the steps will remain the same. Once you caramelize the bottom of your pan, go ahead and pour out your custard on top. You're gonna split the rest of the mixture into the remaining bowls. Once you have that poured out, you wanna cover with foil. Cover your tin. And get your trivet. Place the pan on top of this, and at this time you could just stack your second tin pan over this, but because I'm doing one, there's just one in this example. You're gonna go ahead and pour 1 cup of water into your Instant Pot. Place your trivet inside. Close your lid. Pressure cook for 15 minutes. Okay, and we'll see you then. Alright, now this is done. You want to go ahead and quick release. Grab your middies. Take this out, and you're going to let it sit for 1 hour, and then you're going to refrigerate for up to 4 hours before enjoying. After you've refrigerated your Leche Flan, you want to go ahead and open it. Take a knife and make sure you cut down the edges. You're going to take a plate, and you're going to flip this over.